So we had some Santa Anas blow through here, and they took my sun-damaged vents in the trailer here and took them somewhere. They're all busted up in pieces, so I'm going to swap these out. Got to take this lever off, these 4 screws, pull that bezel off. Then there's 2 screws, one here and one here, to pull the screen mechanism out. Once you get that out, take the 2 screws that are holding this mechanism in here, pull those out, and that will allow you to pull the cover up and remove this pin from that large portion there. Sounds easy. It is easy, just a pain in the ass. Okay, so I just pulled off the bezel, which is right here. I used a 1/4-inch nut driver. I suppose if it was an RV, it'd probably be a Phillips screwdriver, but there were four of them around here. So now I'm going to take this screw out and this screw out, pull this cover off, and then crank this mechanism up, and then these 2 Phillips screws here to pull those screws out. Well, I deviated from their instructions and I put some red thread locker on these because I don't feel like climbing up on the roof of the trailer again to tighten up these bolts. Since I'm not going to be climbing on the other side of the trailer, I'm going to bend this tab down here so I can have one less thing to do when I'm on top of the trailer. See that? There we go. The other side I'll bend in place once I get up there. Here's the second one with red Loctite installed. So now I'm ready to break my neck and climb on top of the trailer. 2 ladders, and then I have a towel with a piece of plywood on top of the towel so I can put my weight across the top of the trailer. Just that easy. Okay, so got everything screwed back together. The 4 screws on the outside, the 2, well, not back up in there and there, the screws for the screen, vent goes up and down, and now I'm looking at that little thing and it looks like that little spacer could have gone in there, but oh well. It's in the trailer, I won't hear it driving down the road. Oh yeah.